Welcome to Bicol University, the home of the BUeños, mga scholar ng bayan, and future leaders of our nation. Established in 1969, BU is an institution constantly striving to produce quality students and citizens for the community. The institution, consisting of the main campus and 5 satellite campuses, continues to serve high-quality instruction in the fields of science, technology, and of course, the arts. First, under the main campus, the College of Education shaping today's minds for tomorrow's future. Here, we also have the Institute of Physical Education, Sports, and Recreation, where they keep the mind-body-soul balance through holistic education. The College of Medicine teaches education that saves lives. And the College of Arts and Letters, where we hail from, we turn our passions into professions. The College of Science is the frontier of discovery, invention, and innovation. The legacy of Florence Nightingale is continued in the College of Nursing. Traveling a few meters east into the East Campus, we can find a College of Engineering, engineering the future beyond convention and expectation. In the College of Industrial Technology, they learn the trade and the thread. Blueprints are turned into reality in the College of Architecture. A jeepney ride to Daraga will take you to the Daraga campus, home to the College of Business Economics and Management, where excellence is not only a goal, but also a way of life. In the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, walk the trailblazers of the socio-political landscape. The seeds of excellence and innovation are sown at the College of Agriculture and Forestry in BU Ginobatan. Bicol University expands their access to world-class education in Tabaco campus. The Polangi campus houses education that jumpstarts careers. The Gubat campus establishes synergies and creates opportunities. Bicol University's graduate school pushes the boundaries of knowledge.
At Bicol University, our vision is clear: to be a university for humanity characterized by productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character for sustainable societies. We believe in nurturing not only the minds but also the hearts of BUeños, preparing us to become compassionate leaders who make a positive impact on the world. The mission hasn't changed through the years, simply to be able to provide clientele satisfaction through quality education and promoting researches for different fields of study.
As a Tactica Libre, we showcase diverse talents in the arts and media. We have highly capable students of communication, terrific performers, headstrong journalists, critical thinkers in literature, bold broadcasters, and of course, amazing English language majors.
Speaking of amazing English language majors, we have asked some of them why they chose this course.
It elevates my skills so I can become an effective writer.
I'm fond of English language. To make my traveling experience more enjoyable someday.
Having it is highly beneficial day to day.
I love learning languages and I want to be a lawyer.
It prepares me for effective communication in English in diverse contexts and situations.